Hi, thanks for coming back to my little crafty secret. For the March edition already, March edition of Smash Our Stash, we are smashing or going through our stash that has to do with fiber. So it could be twine, ribbon, bookbinding thread, anything with fiber, that's what we're using. And I wanted to share a lot of projects I was working on this past month. I did go into some dies that I bought, and I wanted to use those stitching dies. And I also had a very old Pink and Main I'm going to kind of review with you right now, and then just some random cards I made, and another actually the March edition, the March 2023 Simon Says stamp kit. So there's a few things that I have here. So first I have these dies here from Spellbinders, and these are stitching dies. And so I did cut out a bunch. I really like the way they come up, but they're very delicate. So if you do have these and you haven't used them yet, just be careful. They're very delicate and they're so easy to do. So I actually was stitching these, stitching all of these in a car, on waiting for a plane, you know, just in random places. I took it with me, and I did create one card. This actually was one of my entries for a Simon Says stamp. No, it wasn't. Oh yes, I think it was for a Simon Says stamp challenge. I think it might have been like a couple weeks ago, but it's on my Instagram page. If you don't follow me, please check me out on Instagram. But yeah, I made this in celebration, and as I was waiting for the March card kit, I saw the sneak peek and I got so inspired because I wanted to just break out my folk art stuff. So I love folk art. Okay, the next thing is I have a Pink and Main kit. It's from 2020. I think it's July or maybe it's May 2020. I can't remember. Sometime in those couple months. And I never broke it out. I really love the paper, and I stash things away because I like it so much. I don't want to use it. I'm waiting for that perfect time to use it. I'm not doing that anymore. I'm trying really hard not to do it anymore. But Pink and Main did have ribbon. That's why I chose it. I am like maybe a third done. There's so much paper, maybe a half done. There's so much paper provided, so many goodies provided in that one kit. It takes a while for me to get through it. So this is kind of my first pass. I actually have more cards that I created that don't have a fiber element to it, so that's why I'm not showing those. But just really quick, so just using the little stamps. This came with the die. I'm sorry, this came with the kit, the Thinking of You die. This was super fiddly to cut out, and I probably will stay away from it until I get a better die cut machine. My Cuttlebug is very old, and I think it needs to maybe be retired because it doesn't cut very well anymore. Like, a lot of pressure needs to be applied. I have several shims. So again, you know, when I color, I have a lot of these types of images because, you know, I have a lot of dead time, waiting time. So I just take my stuff, I stamp a bunch of images, and I just take my markers, and I just start coloring while I have to wait for something. So I'm showing these because I was trying to prepare for this month's Smash Our Stash edition. I was just I kind of got frustrated with this because it was taking too long, and then I just started using this ribbon that the card kit had in other projects, not just strictly for the Pink and Main projects. So this actually was a recent entry for Simon Says stamp. It was like for Things with Wings. I really tried hard to make a bowl. I don't think it came out very well, but it's okay. It really is okay. And then this is actually for this month's card kit from Simon Says stamp. So yeah, I used it here. I thought this was really pretty. I just realized how far this is. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, I mean, it still looks nice. I just realized that. And then this one. And what was great about this was that I used scraps for all of this. everything was a scrap. And this was a scrap. And this was a scrap. So that was super nice. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this project share. I hope this gives you inspiration to use your materials with fiber, and maybe you have a very old Make and Main kit like I did in your stash, and maybe you have this kit in your stash that you're kind of dilly-dallying on opening. But anyway, I hope this gives you inspiration. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to my channel if you like to see these types of things. I will try my best to upload other videos and the actual process videos. Please also check out the hashtag for this. The hashtag is in the title of this video, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.